Before we get started, I want you to decrypt this hash, which is inside the quotation marks. Seems unsolvable, but it basically means hello world. In this video, I'll teach you how to convert this plain text into the hash code that you just saw right now using Columnar Transposition Cipher. First, we'll create a grid with the breadth of 5 and the length of n, which will contain the plain text written like this. Ignore the 1 to 5 written on the top. Now, to hash the code, write the text from the bottom left to the top right. So it would be D space H exclamation mark W E space O L space R L space L O. So that's how we get the hash. Decryption is similar. You just need to write the text in a new grid with the breadth of 5 and the length of n in a similar way. This method can be done manually or done by the computer, which means it can hash huge strings. Now there's a small trick. You can run the trick again on the hash to make it more secure. And that's the end. By the way, this document was created by me and I'm sharing it through the link in the description.